I went into Sephora to pick up a sample of the Tatcha water cream. They gave me a little bag. They write down what you get, and it comes in a little pouch. I want to try it on. This is like the most hyped up product ever, and I've never put it on my face. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. If you're new here, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Zach. I post a lot of skincare and sunscreen related content. If you're interested in that, please subscribe to my channel. I would really love that. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, so this is what it comes in. It comes in a little plastic jar. I think it's really great that they provide samples at Sephora and Nordstrom and places like that, because to buy the product, then if you don't like it and you return it, it's such a big waste. It's just very wasteful and it's just bad for the environment. So I love that I can pick up a sample, try it. If I like it, I'll go buy it. If I don't, really no damage is done. I have my serums on my skin already, just no moisturizer. So let's put this on. It has a scent to it. I don't really know how much I'll need. I'm just gonna start with that amount. Really lightweight. Sinks into the skin immediately, I would say. So far, I feel like it didn't do a whole lot on my skin. Let's pull up the claims of this product. So I've got the product up on my phone. It's $69. You get 1.7 fluid ounces of product. Typically, I find with 1.7 ounces of products from the drugstore, those retail for about $10 to $15. So, you're paying 5-6 times that amount. It says that this is a lightweight clarifying water cream that releases a burst of hydration, nutrients, and pore refining botanicals for healthy aging and smooth balanced skin. It's been sitting on my skin for about a minute or two. As far as the pore refining, maybe a little bit. I'd say my pores aren't as bad as they usually are, but they're still there. This is not like a pore filler or anything like that. Just kind of smooth them over. It leaves a dewiness on the skin. My forehead looks pretty dewy. I don't really feel like it's that hydrating. On my chin and my mustache area where I'm dry, it's still dry even after using that. I don't really get the hype of this product. I would have to probably use it a couple more times to really get into it, but for me, it feels like a lot of it is branding and marketing. I don't really think that this product is anything special. I just don't feel like I'm super hydrated. And then on my forehead and near my nose, I kind of feel greasy, if that makes sense. It's kind of weird. I'm not really sure that I love this product. It says that this is recommended for more people with combination to oily skin and that are looking for anti-aging, which I really think is interesting. They do have other variations of this product. They do have the Dewy Skin Cream, which is for dry to mature skin, which is the same price. They also do have a sensitive version of this product, which would be their Overnight Repair Cream, which is actually a little bit more money. But personally, I just feel like this wasn't really anything special. I would not be picking up the full size of this personally. It just didn't really wow me, if that makes sense. Yeah, let me know if you've used this product before down below, and let me know if you want me to try out any other high-end thing that you think is great, or if you want me to test out a dupe of this product, because I do have a little bit more of this sample, so maybe I can find a dupe and recommend that to you guys. I'll catch you in my next video.